Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to my channel, New Moon Perspective. And today we're about to begin with the Mind Update Journey, a guided meditation for self-love. Now find a comfy spot to sit on or lie down and let's update our mind together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the weight of your body sinking into whatever surface supports you. With each breath, release any tension, allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Imagine your mind as a smartphone. And today, we're installing a powerful update, a software of self-love. Picture a progress bar slowly filling up with a warm, glowing light. As it progresses, feel a sense of upgrading your mind and positive energy surrounding you. Inhale deeply, inviting in love and acceptance. Imagine this love circulating through your body with each breath. Exhale any doubts or self-criticism. With each inhale, you're downloading self-love. With each exhale, you're letting go of negativity. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Envision a radiant golden light on your heart. This is your self-love energy source. Feel it expanding with each beat of your heart, reaching every corner of your body. Let's integrate positive affirmations. In the silence, repeat after me in your mind. I am beautiful inside and out. My flaws make me perfect. I love myself as I am. I am loved. Repeat it one more time. I am beautiful inside and out. My flaws make me perfect. I love myself as I am. I am loved. Picture a serene garden within your mind. In this garden, every flower represents a positive aspect of yourself. Take a stroll, appreciating the beauty of your qualities. Feel the love growing with each step, blossoming like flowers in the spring. What flower are you proud of? And what quality does it say? Pick this flower and give it a nice spot in your own home. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Congratulations! You've just updated your mind with a powerful dose of self-love. Carry this positive energy with you throughout your day. If you find this mind update helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and comment below your experience of this guided meditation. Until next time, stay mindful and keep updating that beautiful mind of yours to keep it fresh and error-free. See you next time. Bye!